Dropped your phone? Don't know how to fix it? Don't worry, my easy steps will make sure your phone is fixed. Add shaving cream to your damaged device. It will help to fix some of the damage. Use your relative or your own toothbrush to mix in the shaving cream. It will help to fix the damage. Wash off the shaving cream. Next, add in toothpaste to polish your device and remove scratches. Now, add in soap to make your phone cleaner. Add lotion to the mix in order to give the phone that new feel. Add bleach. Wash off the bleach. Now finally, hit your phone with a screwdriver to knock out any problems. Congratulations, your phone should now be fixed. If you actually fell for this, you're extremely gullible. Don't do this to your valued electronics.